Hi guys, so in this video, we're going to learn about measure of position, quartile of group data. So here are the given situation. A group of students obtained the following score in their statistical quiz: 8, 2, 5, 4, 11, 12, 7, 10, 3, 6, 9. So ang hahanapin natin ay quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. So first, kailangan muna natin i-arrange ang group data in ascending order from lowest to highest. So magsisimula tayo sa 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, pagkatapos dun, hanapin natin ang n. So, bilangin natin ang number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, 11. And ang formula na gagamitin natin ay QK is equal to K times N plus 1 over 4. Let's solve first quartile. Q1. So, yung K, papalitan natin ng 1. So, yung N natin is 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12 over 4. 1 times 12 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, ang first quartile natin ay the third position. So, bibilang tayo ng 3. 1, 2, 3. So, ang quartile 1 natin is 4. Next is second quartile. Q2. So, yung K, papalitan natin ng 2. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12 over 4. 2 times 12 is 24 over 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So, ang quartile 2 natin ay 6th position. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ang quartile 2 natin is 7. So, for the last one, the third quartile, Q3. So, yung K, papalitan ulit natin ng 3. So, 11 plus 1 is equal to 12 over 4. 3 times 12 is equal to 36. 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. So, ang third quartile natin is 9th position. So, bilangin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ang quartile 3 natin is 10.